And this is my mother. Will be quiet. So now you guys have seen my beautiful mother. So you guys can say I haven't met my mom, so we're just gonna head on the road and get some stuff done, and we'll catch you guys later. Deuces. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. How are you guys doing?
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. We are still on vacation and we're enjoying Texas, but can I tell you how hot and humid it is in Texas? It's as if there is no wind whatsoever. It's just boiling hot, and it's as if you can't breathe with the heat. And Tyler is down there walking with Papa. Look at him. You see him? He's been walking a lot recently. Look at him. Just look at him. Hey Papa. Hey Papa. Hey Papa. Hey Papa. Hey Papa. Hey Papa. Hey. So we have been spending a lot of time with the family. We're here at a home visiting one of our mom's friends, but we can't go inside because Tala is too young. Oh, they're back, so we're gonna get going. Look at this bad boy. Tala, what are you doing? No, he's fascinated by this. He did the same thing when we were passing just now. You guys, and this is my mother. Will be quiet. So now you guys have seen my beautiful mother. So you guys can say I haven't met my mom, so we're just gonna head on the road and get some stuff done, and we'll catch you guys later. Deuces. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Damn, I look fake.
No, you're not fake. Well, you look fake, but you're not.
My lip probably too bright.
Oh, yes, it is. So it is on the camera, but it is not. It's okay now, yeah.
And guess who's driving? Mama! Look at
What you doing?
The bus people tell you don't walk in front of the bus.
Okay.
Or you push it down through the window and start slow down everything and
Okay.
come in.
Okay.
She's driving like an old lady, no? With her two hands on the steering wheel.
She's driving like someone who learning how to drive.
What are they talking about you?
You can go on. As long as I'm taking you where we're going safe, that's fine.
You're right about it.
You guys, I don't know where I put my sunglasses and I can't see anything. So our Texas trip has been going well so far. We're actually about to go walk down the street to go see some historical houses at the moment. You know, babe like this history thing, so we're about to do that. Say hello. Say hello. Tweety tweety tweety. Tweety. So this is one of the historic homes that we've been walking to see. I really don't know the significance of it, but this is one. I think it has something to do with the oldness or something of that sort. Babe, what's the significance?
This house was built as one of the fondator of Galveston, so it's one of the oldest one.
Mommy clapping mosquitoes off Tyler. No, you clapping mosquitoes off Tyler. Well, you're in black pants, so you guys, mosquito is killing me. A fat one just bite Tyler in his face. Oh. No.
Easy mommy. Easy mommy. Easy mommy.
Yes, so
Historic house number 2.
Oh, they working in
Huh? The mailman dropping mails off.
Oh, wow, the picture his wife and all, but one of their children were killed.
So this is the last house we're gonna do for today. This is historical house number 3. So mommy and babe taking pictures. It's pretty. Where is the plaque? Okay, babe, this plaque is outside, like you wanted. 1838.
So this is the first.
Brannaman Bernard, a signature of the Texas Declaration of Independence, founder of the city of Galveston. Oh, this is the main house.
This is the first house built in Galveston, and this is like the other one is the founder of Galveston, but this one is the first house.
But this is the founder too.
Yeah, there are more than one founder. But
Okay.
this is, look beside. it,
Member
you
of
can-
Congress of the Republic of Texas. Awesome. Got mommy sitting down there. Mommy chilling. No more mosquito biting you. So this house is the oldest house in Galveston. Word.
It doesn't look too old in
No, it
comparison to the
doesn't
others.
at all.
Listen.
It doesn't look old in comparison to the most of the ones that we've seen. I wonder if somebody lived there or they just maintain it. You want a picture? But babe, you just think. Wait. Yes, Papa leave you, don't it? Papa leave you.
You're left alone.
Papa leave you, taking
Grandma
picture.
to the rescue. Grandma.
There.
Grandma to the rescue. Grandma.
Alright, so we're going home now.
Yeah. So you guys, that's it for our little historic walk. And we'll be heading back home because we're hungry and the sun is hot. So it's dinner time. We'll catch you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.